Dear student, in previous lecture we have studied about types of matrices. Today we will study equal matrices and some examples. Now, equal matrices. True matrices A and B are said to be equal and written as A is equal to B if and only if they are of the same order and their corresponding entries are equal. Thus, if A is Aij of order m by n and B is Bij of order p by q, it means here m is equal to p and n is equal to q, and Aij element is equal to Bij. I varies from 1 to m and j varies from 1 to n. For example, the matrices in first row x, y, z, t, and other matrix is -1, 0, 2, 3 are equal if and only if x is equal to -1, that means a11 is equal to b11, a12 is equal to b12, that means y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2, and similarly t is equal to 3. Now second example, the matrices A is 1, 2, 0, 3. In first row 1, 2 and second row 0, 3. And matrix B is in first row x2 and second row 2, 3. These matrices cannot be equal whatever the value of x. As we compare these, so x is equal to 1 and 2 is equal to 2. But we can't say that 2 is equal to 0. That means 2 is not equal to 0. So we can't say these matrices may be equal. Third entries matrices C is given. This matrix of order 2 by 3 and D matrix of order 3 by 2. The orders are not same. Elements are same, but these matrices are not equal. So C is not equal to D matrix. Now we will consider one example. If a matrix has 8 elements, this example is regarding order. If a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? And what are the possible orders if it has 5 elements? Since a matrix of order m by n has mn elements, so to find the possible orders with 8 elements, 1, 8, 2, 4, because 1 into 8, 2 into 4, 4 into 2, and 8 into 8. The possible orders are 1 by 8, 2 by 4, 4 by 2, and 8 by 1. Similarly, if a matrix has 5 elements, then its possible orders are 1 by 5 or 5 by 1. Now, next example, construct a matrix of order 3 by 4 whose entries are given by Aij is I minus j upon I plus j. I means indicates row, j means indicate column. 3 by 4. 3 by, that means 3 rows and 4 columns. So matrix will be contains 3 rows. A11. A11, what is I and what is j? J is 1, I is 1. So 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1. A12, I is 1, j is 2. So you can calculate easily. A13, I is 1, j is 3. I is 1, j is 4. Similarly, A21, I is 2, j is 1. I is 2, j is 2. I is 3, I is 2, j is 3. Similarly, I is 2, j is 4. And A31, that means I is 3, j is 1. I is 3, j is 2. I is 3, j is 3. I is 3 and j. You calculate it. Then put the matrix. There are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 4 columns. So this is a matrix of order 3 by 4. Now another example. Find x, y, z and w if a matrix contains in first row x minus y, 2x plus z, 2x minus y and 3z plus w. And right hand side matrix is minus 1, 5, 0, 13. And these two matrices are equal. That means one condition, order must be same and corresponding element should be. Order, it is clear that they are of order 2 by 2 and we have to find corresponding elements. So that is x minus y is equal to minus 1, 2x plus z is equal to 5, 2x minus y is equal to 0 and 3z plus w is equal to 13. By solving this, we can find x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3 and w is equal to 4. Now similarly, second part, you can easily solve this question and you can find the value of x, y, z and w by comparing these two. These are the examples related to the equal matrices and order of the matrices.